Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the OTTPlayer application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, we'll have to get an app called Downloader. We can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. We just need to go to About, select Firestick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And now, as you can see, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for us right here. So we open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, you'll have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we gotta go to the list of apps on your device. Let's do it. Here it is, open it. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with the camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta go and open up Downloader application. There it is. Here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 298344. So once again, the code is 298344. Make sure to enter the code correctly and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, after the website has opened for us, we have to scroll down a bit until we find the OTTPlayer. There it is. Now we just need to click on it, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then you have to click on install and wait until OTTPlayer gets installed to your Fire Stick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way will save yourself some free space on your device, and that's really important because by default you don't have too much of free space on your Firestick anyway. Now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick, which is right here. Open it, scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find OTTPlayer, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way OTTPlayer is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.